Hi guys, Julissa here. Today I am back to show you guys this new look that I have going on. This wig is from Bobbi Boss. This is a lace front wig and it is in the style Nya Faith. I ordered this wig from divatress.com with my own money and I have the little receipt here to prove it. Sorry you guys that I threw the packaging away when I got this wig, but I started cleaning up around my apartment and the packaging was just that one thing that needed to go. But I have all the information about this wig. So I first saw this wig on I Fancy Cupcakes here on YouTube and I thought it was super cute. I got it in the same style that she had it. So I have this wig in the color 1B30. So as you can see, it starts off dark up here and then it gets lighter at the bottom. I really love this look because as you guys know, I do have my real hair colored and it has turned into like an ombre look. So I wanted to go for another ombre look with the wig that I chose. So this wig does come in a bunch of different colors. Like I said, this one is in 1B30 and I was debating about whether I wanted to get like an ombre red look, but I went with this one. I feel like it's perfect for the springtime that's coming up. I really like this wig because it has a lot of movement. It fit on my head perfectly. I love the soft waves in it. When I got the wig, it wasn't too perfect, but if you get your wig and it's a little bit too perfect, just run your hands through it a little bit and just to ruffle it up a little bit. But I love the waves that are in this wig. It's super cute. So I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back and what that looks like. So yeah, that's the back. The one thing that I do not like too much about this wig is that it does not have any combs in it. So I was a little bit skeptical about how it would stay on my head. Now if I'm going to be going out, being active, I will probably not wear this wig because it's not secure on my head. It does have an adjustable strap in the back, but I'm used to my wigs having like the comb here, the comb there, and the comb in the back where the adjustable strap is. But I don't have that in this wig and it makes me kind of sad because it's so perfect, and if it had those combs it would be even more perfect. This is the lace that this wig has. I did not go through and make this perfect on my hairline, but my hair is slicked back in a little ball. I have a wig cap on underneath. I'm going to show you guys in a minute. But this parting of this wig, I'm going to move in a little bit closer. I did not go in and pluck any hairs or make this part any wider. This is what it is. It does have like a little curve going in it. And when you put the wig on, you cannot put it on just straight down the middle where the part is. You have to put the part on the side. So I will probably not be parting this hair on the other side. Like this is, I think, all that I'm going to do. Now if you try to part the wig on the other side, you get like tracks underneath. You get tracks underneath and that's a no-no. So I'm going to flip it back on this side, and as you can see, once I flip it back, the hair is easy to manage and fix. Sorry guys, I'm just playing in this hair so much. It's super cute. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take this wig off so that you guys can see what the inside looks like without the combs. I don't know if you can add the combs in later. That would be really nice if you could, but it's just so much better when the wigs come with combs in them already. So, alright. So this is the parting of the wig that I was telling you about. It's like a curve there. This is the inside, and this is where I was talking about. I'm used to having little combs on the side up here just for security, and then the adjustable strap at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's an adjustable strap down there. And I'm used to a comb being right there at the bottom, but there's not. And and as you can see, like I said, I have a wig cap on underneath. I'm just gonna show you guys how I put this wig back on. It's not secure at all, but like I said, this will only be for special events, short outings, nothing where I know I'm going to be active. Alright. And it's back on. I did play with some bobby pins in this wig to try to secure it down in the front. That was a no-go because it was just, the bobby pins were showing because this hair is straight. Now if this was like super curly hair, yes, the bobby pins would probably be hidden and it would work a little bit better, but that's not the case with this wig. But yeah, that's this wig, you guys. It's super cute. I love the color. I love the movement in it. The only con is not having the combs in it. That's just a fail. But other than that, I do love this wig. You could go in and add combs if you wanted to, but I don't think I'm going to go through all that. So if you guys like this wig, definitely let me know down in the comment section. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, and if you would like to purchase this wig, I will leave a link down in the description box for where I purchased it from on Diva Tress. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!